Hello, welcome to week 7 of NTI, and this is the week of October 6th. Today's Monday. We did not have school, it was parent-teacher conference, and I was able to talk to several of your parents and families about how you're doing. So let's get started. We have a lot of work to do for only a 4-day week. Coming up first on our list of things is reading. So at the session at 10 a.m., which I hope to see all of you at, we will listen to Coraline, review it, and then we'll go over the Google form together to do your comprehension and skill check. Then you also have Chapter 4 of Coraline. We'll do that mini lesson on Thursday at 10 a.m., and I will help you with the Google form. Now, you can go ahead and work ahead if you'd like, but I think it's best if you wait and you do it with us, and then you're most likely to get to understand more what you're doing. All right, next. You have in writing, you have a writing prompt that is responding to Coraline. And then you also have vocabulary slides. So if I go to the vocabulary slides, I know that several people had trouble last time. I made this fun little video right here that shows you what to do if you get stuck. All right, so I'm going to show you what I expect you to do for our... So it's blurry on here, but it won't be really. So that is there to help you if you need it. Here are the slides. Remember, you do one sentence and a picture using the slides. The definition is already there for you. So I did this one for you already. On that video, I showed you how to get it. You put your picture that go along with your sentence, and you use the word. Now, you'll notice that I did scuttled, and the word is scuttle. This is just a past tense of scuttle. So you can do scuttling, scuttles, scuttled. You can change that. That's fine, as long as you don't change the base word. All right, so that is writing and your Coraline reading response right here. Next on our list, we have Math 2.5, Math 2.6. You'll see that I did not include the visual learning because I don't think that you need it. 2.5 is subtracting decimals. I customize it so that you will know what to do. 2.6 is a little bit more difficult. We will go over it together on Wednesday. It's about word problems and the steps to solving word problems, and it gets a little confusing. So we will do that together on Wednesday at 10 a.m. Again, you can work on it at any point in time, but it's best if you do it with us at 10 a.m. So that way there are no misconceptions. And if you have any questions, we can go through it together. Next up, we have social studies. You're going to read this article. It's called Human Changes to the Environment and then you're going to answer the questions, okay, on a Google form. Then, as always, you're going to watch the news quiz video in Google form. So I want to go back to this article in social studies. Okay, it's right here. It says humans change the environment. So here is what you're reading. Okay, this is what you're reading. I would go ahead and pull up the Google form first, and then I would pull up the reading. That way you can flip back and forth between the two and answer the question. It's going to be a lot easier if you have this open, and then you can flip back and forth. So that's just my opinion. That's what I would do. All right. So other than that, you have your news quiz. So we have the link here in Google Classroom under social studies. It's from October 1st. I know it's last week. You can click here and watch the video, or you can click here, and then here's the quiz. It's super easy, guys. It gives you the answers. It's an easy grade, and you learn about what's going on in Kentucky, the United States, and around the world. It has great stuff. Okay, so I posted this here. This is your weekly assignment checklist. I'm going to put it on here that this is to help ace your assignments so you complete something each day. Again, you do not have to do it. It is optional. It's just a tool to help you. So real quick, I'm just going to pull it up and show you. It is in Google slide form. You don't have to worry about that. It'll just be view only, so you can't click anything. All right, so each day our 10 a.m. Google Meet. It's important that you guys come to that. Then we're going to read chapter 3 of Coraline. We're going to play a Kahoot, do all that jazz. And then you're going to do the Google form on your own. you can get started on your vocabulary slides and do some math path blazers. That's what you're going to do tomorrow. Then the next day is going to be math 2.5, 2.6. We're going to go over the reading response together, and then you can start on that article and questions. Thursday, 10 a.m. meet. Read Coraline chapter 4. We're going to do the lesson together. We're also going to talk about more of this right here. And we might even go back to the writing response, dip into that a little bit. And then you can work on the news quiz and finish your slides. You don't have to do those all in one day. You can just do a couple at a time. Then on Friday, you guys know I'm getting married, so I will not be here, but Miss Cox, the guidance counselor, she will be here with you from 10 to 10:30. And then most likely Miss Pilley or Miss Dr. Timmerman will be here with you to go over any work that you need help with. As always, I'll assign the check-in on Friday morning at 10:05 for you to complete both of them, usually like 4 questions. I know you'll do great on them. But that is our week this week. So if you need anything, have any questions, you know where to find me. Right on the stream, email me, call me, text me, whatever you need to do if you have any questions. And I look forward to seeing you guys at 10 a.m.